Hello and welcome here. In this video, I will show you social media managing tools that are going to save you a ton of time in your business. With these tools, you can view, you can respond to messages, add your social media profiles, view them all at once, analytics, and create reports all in one place. So let's get started. The very first one we are going to discuss is Vista Social. Vista Social is a social media management tool that works with TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and more. This is my dashboard for Vista Social. You can view all of the social accounts you've connected on the left-hand side, and you can organize your social accounts in various folders. Now to add an account, just click on Quick Add, then click on Add Social Profile, then select a profile group, and these are all the social networks or platforms you can connect to your Vista Social account. Now, some of these I haven't seen, usually in other social media managers, which I think is pretty good, like Trustpilot, Bitly, Yelp, TripAdvisor, and OpenTable. TikTok is a popular one right now, and Twitter. Those are the ones that you are going to add. Once you connect to these, it's super easy. Click on it, allow access, and it's going to connect to these profiles. Now to create a new post, just click on Create, then click on New Post. You first need to select your profile. I currently have YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. You can also select Facebook and any other account that you've connected, and this is where you add your post content. You can add various emojis, and you can also save hashtags and use them across social posts you create in the future. I saved a group of hashtags right here, so just click on it and it will automatically append at the very end of your post. You can also create and save captions as well. You can also add your URL, you can upload videos, images, and documents. So you can upload your media from your computer, from a URL, or choose a media file from your Vista Social account that you've uploaded in the past. You can discover free media as well, so you can find free images through Unsplash, Pixels, and Jiffy. You can also search through Instagram hashtags and Instagram users. So if you want to use an image from someone's Instagram account, just type in the user and Vista Social will pull all of the images. Just click the one you want and click on Upload. You can also connect your Google Drive account, Dropbox, OneDrive. You can also design an image via Canva or create a dynamic image. You can also upload multiple images. You can also attach a label to this post as well, so if you have specific campaigns, you can mark your posts according to the various campaigns that you are running. This is a great feature to help you organize all the posts that you publish throughout the months, throughout the years, and on the right-hand side, you can tweak your post according to social media platform. Okay. So once you are done customizing your post, you can save it as a draft, add it to your queue, schedule it, or publish it now. If we view our calendar, we are going to view what's going on with these profiles. If I hover over this is pretty neat. I'm able to view what's been going on this week. Now, we have some settings here where I want to do a small preview. I can view the thumbnail and large review if I want to view this and condense the view. I like this one because basically it shows me everything really quickly and I can just hover over it. I can refresh, I can view by calendar, I can view by all posts, drafts, failed posts, etc. And just filter these. You can add national holidays, religious holidays, fun holidays, and so on. I can do my month, week, daily, and view next month. Now, something I like about this is that it reads from, I think, 2 to 3 months past from when you connected. So I take your time zone, select filters, and that's for the calendar view. And these are all of the media files that you've uploaded or used in a previous post. They also have an inbox feature as well. You can view all of the mentions and also messages. You can also view comments, reviews, and also shares, and from this view you can reply to those mentions or reply in DM or add a private note to this particular conversation. So this feature allows you to communicate with your audience without having to log into that specific social media profile. To do so, there's also listening, so you can add specific keywords, and whenever that keyword is mentioned, it'll be listed right here. You can manage your reviews. So Facebook reviews and Google My Business reviews will be here. You can also list specific tasks that you want to list out to remember for the future. And they also have reports. You can click on the Run Report and you have a few options here, so you can run a report for the social media performance, the post performance, review performance tasks, and also a competitor analysis. So it's a must-try tool if you need to schedule a post and get reports for your social media accounts. Now in this part I am going to show you the easiest way that you can post on multiple platforms at once. It will save you a lot of time instead of switching from app to app. So let's explore how you can use Buffer for your social media management. So let's get into it. Now you can see that Buffer provides you with several different kinds of tools for your overall social media management, so they could be related to publishing schedule, publishing analytics, engagement, and starting your own customized landing page within minutes, and also an AI assistant. When I go to channels right here, you can see that this is all the different platforms that you can link. So if you are trying to merge your Facebook post, Instagram post, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Shopify, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube, then this platform is perfect for you. Now if I move to pricing plans, so they have a free plan as well as 3 paid plans. The difference between the free plan and the essentials plan is that you have access to more social media accounts. So with the free plan you are only able to connect up to 3 different social media channels. Now we are just gonna click on Get Started now at the top right over here to get started with creating our Buffer account. Now you just have to enter your email address and enter a password that you want for Buffer. This is what the dashboard looks like, and down here on the bottom left-hand corner, you can see Setup Channels. Once you click on connecting your first channel, so it could be an Instagram business account, it could be a Twitter profile, it could be a LinkedIn profile, it could be a Facebook page or a group. So, and I'm gonna continue with a Facebook page that I want to manage using Buffer. I'm just going to go on to Facebook. I'm going to continue and yeah, the process is super simple. You just have to sign in and it will then connect your account to Buff. So I'm just going to continue with a Facebook page that I want to manage using Buffer. Now that I have connected my page, you can see I have basic tools at the top. So at the top, you'll find this navigation panel, you could say, where you can get your publishing tools. Then you have your analytic tools or all of your analytics for your channel or your social media account. Then you have your engagement. Then you have a start page where you are able to create a landing page for your social media content on Buffer directly. So this will enable you to create a website for your business very simply and easily using Buffer without having to take a look at different hosting sites or looking to buy a domain or having to do all that stuff. It's very easy to just go on to Buffer and manage all of your business needs from here directly. Now after that, you have apps. So you have Buffer for Android and iOS, and you have Remix by Buffer and different integrations that are available. And if you click on integrations over here, you can add several different types of integrations to your Buffer account like Canvas API, WordPress Automate Field, Microsoft Crowdrift. All of these different integrations are available for you to connect to your Buffer account so you can manage your social media platforms more easily. Now from here, I'm going to show you guys what the calendar looks like. So this is where you can schedule all of your posts. I can go ahead and filter right here on the top right hand corner for all posts, drafts, scheduled or sent posts. I can go through all the different channels. I can change it from weekly to monthly. And from here, if you want to create a post, click the plus sign, or you can just click on create post right here and write stuff or use the AI assistant to generate some text. You can also drag and drop files, whether it's an image or a video. You can add emojis down here. You can also go ahead and add some hashtags if you upgrade your plan. This will be posted on Facebook page or whatever social media account that you have connected. So you can click on add image, and then you can add a photo or image, or you can even design with Canva or upload them from your drive. On the right hand side, you are going to see a preview of what it will look like. So if I go ahead and I type some text as well as add an image, you guys can see that this is what the Facebook preview is going to look like. Once you are comfortable with your post, you can go ahead and go down here to schedule the draft, or you can click on more options and save it as a draft or request approval. This is for if you are working with other teams and you are collaborating with them, but you are going to have to upgrade for that, or you can just go ahead and schedule the post to go out on that specific date. Now to start adding more channels to your Buffer account, so I have added this one page. Maybe I want to manage another page on Facebook using Buffer, so I'm just going to click on Manage Channels over here, and can see I can add up to 3 channels on the free version of Buffer. So I'm just going to click on Connect New Channel, and then I can choose what kind of channel that I want to connect onto my same Buffer account. And that's it for Buffer. I hope you guys got some value out of this video, and if you did, please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Now let's jump into Predis.ai. Have you ever wished you had your own personal AI assistant to create stunning social media graphics, write eye-catching captions, and schedule content for you? Well, your wish has been granted in the form of an exciting new software that is taking the social media marketing world by storm. So let's get in. Click on try for free, and the best part is you don't actually have to enter your credit card. Next, it'll bring you to this page here where you can choose to sign up either using your Facebook or your Google account, or just simply enter your email address, create a password, click on sign up, and then just follow the prompts and you'll be good to go. Once you are on the inside, you are going to see a dashboard where you can find all the different stats. For example, once you've connected to your Instagram, your Facebook, and your YouTube, you'll be able to see all the activity that will be happening in all those different accounts. But then right here on the left, you will see your main taskbar where you can get the different features and tools that you can use in this software. For example, there's a content library, content calendar, there's the idea tab, there's a competitive analysis, and then there's also the option for you to manage your brand. Now I'm just going to click Content Library, and as you can see here, I don't have any content created yet because this is a new account. So you've got options. There's Create More, Create New. I'm just going to click Create a New Post. And it's going to bring me to this section. Here select what do you want to make. I am going to select blog to post. Paste the link of the blog here, and here you go. Here you can see the content of the blog, and the other side, there is the script from the blog. But here you can see the subtitle is too long, so shorten in and now just click on confirm. Now look at this interface. Here you can choose type of post, you can choose assets for your post, language, a brand kit or let the AI to choose variants, and you can choose a template from many. You can search the template by keywords, orientation or style or let the AI to decide. You can also select the caption length here. Now click on generate and here you go. Let's play it. Here is the script of the video and many options like you want to edit your video, to share, download or delete the video. To download the video, you will have to upgrade. The next key feature is the content calendar. Content calendar simply means that you can schedule all the content that you create to different dates and times when you want it to be posted to your platforms. One of the most frustrating thing about being a content creator is having to manually post your content. So you basically can use this section for just posting the content automatically so that you don't have to do it manually. Then the next feature is the Idea Lab. Idea Lab is all about helping you to generate content ideas. The way that it works, that you can simply write a command and then the chat will start generating ideas for you, and so you can get content ideas. You can generate your content calendar and you can also get ideas for ads that you are going to be using. When you are running paid ads, so like the first prompt here that you see is write 5 post ideas for my restaurant. This is just something that you might want to type. If I just click on that, as you can see, it pops up here at the bottom. This is where you are going to be using the AI to generate ideas, and then you just click there and then it's going to start coming up with different ideas for you as you. The last feature according is the competitor analysis. Competitor analysis allows you to identify all the accounts of your competitors, maybe for example people who are doing the same thing as you, but obviously maybe they've got more clients than you are able to put them in here. It allows you to spy on them and get ideas of the type of content that you are going to be creating. The next we are gonna discuss is Publer. Publer is a social media management tool that lets you schedule, collaborate and analyze all of your social media posts from the same spot. This social media posting tool helps you to manage YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, Google Business, Pinterest and Instagram. Now you can create and automate all of your social media posts using relevant formatting tools that includes getting hashtag suggestions and customizing it based upon your own preference. Let me show you some of its features, the free AI tools they provide, and let's check their pricing plan. They provide a free plan where you can connect 3 social accounts. Now let's have a look to their blog page. You can see they guide their users so well. So let's get started by clicking sign up for free. I'm going to finish setting up my account. There's a few questions that we need to answer. So, the first thing you do when you join Publer is, you are asked to create your own workspace. I'm going to choose to add maybe Gadgets Focus as the name of the workspace, and I'm going to choose the industry of technology. Now, keep in mind that workspaces are designed to be a good solution for clients, a good solution for teams, or a good solution for different businesses. How we like to use them is, for example, a marketing agency that has 50 clients. They could have 50 workspaces, with each workspace representing the client. At the same time, a workspace can be one of your internal teams or it can be a different business. So, the way they are designed is for you to best organize your work, your clients and your businesses into different workspaces. After you create your workspace, you will be able to add your social accounts. Publer supports Facebook pages, groups and location pages, Instagram accounts, TikTok accounts, Twitter, LinkedIn profile and pages, Pinterest, Google business profiles, YouTube, WordPress, and Telegram channels and groups. You can add the social accounts here, or you can click on Continue. Publer will be setting up your workspace, and after that, you can also add the social accounts at any point in the future. Connecting social accounts is pretty simple. You will just need to click on Facebook, choose what kind of Facebook account you would add. After that, you will be redirected to Facebook for OBS to sign into your Facebook profile and you can enter your credentials to add your accounts. Now I have added my YouTube account only. Let me show you how Publer works. Come to the dashboard. The first option here is for creating a new post. All the social accounts you add will appear here on this side, so select the account where you wanna post. Now here you can edit the complete post here, add title or description, you can hashtags and the best thing is AI can assist you. Let's say I am going to write a tagline for ice cream shop. Add 3 hashtags and here you go, pretty good. Click on Add to Post. Just a game of drag and drop media, is it like? You can add an external URL, you can import media from Drive, Dropbox, OneDrop, or from library, you can even design with Vistacreate or drag media from your device. Keep in mind, with Publer you can create all types of posts. You can add locations to your posts, watermarks to your photos, signatures which are like outros, you can put at the end of your post, follow-up comments, which are the first comment, also known as the first comment. On the right-hand side, I can preview this post in real time. After all done, you can publish, draft or schedule your post. Here at the post, you can manage all your posts. You can filter your posts like scheduled, posted, failed, drafts, recycling, recurring. If we view our calendar, we are going to view what's going on with these profiles, and these are all of the media files that you've uploaded or used in a previous post. You can check your RSS feed, your content and also the analytics. But you can access this feature only in the upgraded plan. And it was all about Publer. Now let's explore the next tool called ContentStudio. Let's visit the site. ContentStudio is a unified social media management platform designed to help users manage all their social media accounts from one dashboard. It offers a range of features for content planning, scheduling, discovery, and analysis. Click on Start your free trial. Sign up with Google. Enter your password and some additional details to ensure your security. And click on Continue. And now here is the interface. Now what you see on this page is basically the dashboard of your workspace. Down here you have the last and recent posts with their engagement data. What platform they've been posted on, and then down here you have a couple of other useful links. From here you connect your accounts or blog and page. Now let's come to the compose. So here you can see that you can compose social posts, your blog posts and even automation option is here. Now comes the planner. I think that this is one of the most powerful features of this platform, and as you can see will be the monthly overview of the content that is being posted on the different accounts, Here on the left you will have very powerful filtering features so you can see different accounts and only activate certain posts. You can see here what's going up with all the social accounts you have linked with ContentStudio. You can also manage the shared links here, and here you can choose the view of your choice. Now let's go to Analyze, and you can see that we have not connected any account, so this space is empty. And here you can switch the accounts. Now let's come to Inbox. All the inboxes of your all accounts will appear here. Now to pop on Discover, you can search for the best influencers. And Content Feed helps in research for top performance. Now come to the Media Library. Here will appear all the media you have uploaded. Now to upload any media, just click on Upload Now. Here you have a couple of options to upload your media like direct uploads, direct link, Pinterest, Facebook, Flickr, Pixabay, Giphy, Dropbox, and Google Drive. Here you can manage your workspace. Now go back to the dashboard and let's connect accounts. Click on Connect Account, and now you can connect any of these social accounts. I want to connect with Facebook. After connecting accounts, click on Continue. Now we will click on Create New Social Post. Now you can add text, hashtags, emojis, and of course images or videos. To click on Upload, you can upload images, videos, and PDFs. You can also design the image in Canva for your post. You can also design with Vista. After everything is set, schedule your post. Now let's step forward to another tool called Ocoya. So let's visit the site ocoya.com. Ocoya is a way for you to upgrade your content strategy. This will help you if you are a solo entrepreneur and you are looking to get better with your content strategy and you want to be able to manage it all on your own until you can afford to bring someone who can help you handle your social media. Click on Try Free. Now if you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and you can choose a couple of options. You can just use the email and you can also sign up with your Google account. Press Continue. Now click on Let's Get Started. And here you go. So this is the planner. What we can do in the planner is create new content, schedule content, and also look at our calendar and look at an overview of what we have scheduled. Now I didn't have anything posted yet. You can see this empty calendar, but if you go to content and create a post, you can save it in and it will eventually show in this calendar. Now on the left side, you have a full menu. One thing is socials. In this step you can connect your social accounts. Then we have an automation option, and then we have e-commerce. We can connect any e-commerce here. And why would you use this? Well, you can generate posts based on a product, so it's actually really handy. You can use any of these. Then we have analytics, and then we have AI tools. Now to click on AI tools, we have Post Generate, through which we can generate posts with the help of AI. Then we have the AI assistant, which can assist us. You can see social media assistant, Facebook ads, LinkedIn growth assistant, and many more, and even you can create your own. Then we have the AI copywriter. In this you can write copy using artificial intelligence, and you can do that by picking a template too. Then we have integrations for the no-code people, but also for everyone who wants to automate their life. You can use Zapier, you can use Airtable and Make, and you can create flows. And the special part is even APIs. If you are a developer, you can use APIs, and basically automatically create posts, for example, based on certain factors. So then we have the last part, settings. You can change your workspace, you can change your theme color, your workspace name, and time zone. Here you can see all the functionality that you have. You can also upgrade if you want. Now we will create our post. Click on create, or if you want you can create with AI. But before that, let's connect our social accounts. Click on connect and you will see this. You can connect any of your social profiles here. I am going to connect to Facebook. Press connect and it's connected. It's really that simple, and now we can even schedule something. So go to planner, click on create new. We can create our posts here. We can select our social profile in this case. We can press plugins to explore plugins, but these are available only in the paid plan. Here we can design something using our built-in editor. We can use text and emojis and even automatically pick hashtags. With ChatGPT we can give our post a new look. And now you can save it for later to schedule or post it. We will have to upgrade to paid plans. And that's it. Now let's dive into another tool called Hootsuite. The first thing that I want you to do is come over to Hootsuite.com. So Hootsuite is an all-in-one social media management platform that allows businesses to simply create, schedule, engage, monitor, and connect social media channels and content together in one space and user-friendly online dashboard. It is one of the best social media management applications that is available on the internet. Now once you are over here, you just simply have to log in. You can log in either by clicking on Start your free 30-day trial or clicking on the login option. So to sign up, you can either click on the sign up button over here or you can start your free 30-day trial. So before we go ahead and start our free 30-day trial and sign up, we have to look at the plans and compare them and see which one is most suitable for our needs. So click on compare plans, and over here, as you can see, we have two plans in front of us. We have the professional plan and the team plan. In the professional plan, you get one user and you can link up to 10 social media accounts. You can do unlimited posts and post scheduling, and you can access messages in one inbox. In the team plan, you can add 3 users and up to 20 social media accounts. You get unlimited posts. You also get post scheduling, access to messages in one inbox plus roles and permissions, and assign posts to team members. Let's click on the free 30-day trial here. On the next page, you will need to create an account. So put in your full name, your business ID, and a password. Then click Create My Account, and on step 2, you can see that you first need to select your billing cycle, whether you need to bill annually or monthly. Next, you need to enter your billing details. Select any one payment method. After making all the choices, you can go down and click on Start My Free Trial. Then down here, Hootsuite is going to prompt you to get started and connect social media channels. So what we are going to do is come down and select Facebook. I want to connect my Facebook, and you can see that this business page is now connected. You can add other groups or pages if you like, but we are going to come down and click Done. So once you add your social media, you can just click on Let's Go and this will load up Hootsuite. So this is the Hootsuite dashboard. As you guys can see, on the top left you get your home icon, then you have your plans, then you have your create section. So now that we have added our social networks, we are ready to create our first post. To get started, you click the Composer button. The Composer will immediately pop up and you can choose which networks you want to schedule to. I am going to schedule to Facebook. Once I have the channels selected, I can add my text, links, and hashtags for my post here. I can also add emojis and even look at some hashtag suggestions. Now it's time to attach some media. If you want to upload your own image or video, you can just go here, click to upload, or you could drag and drop your file. You can also search the media library, where you have access to our free image library. Hootsuite also has an integration with Canva. After all is set, I'm ready to schedule it out. To schedule, I just go down to the Schedule for Later button, and once I select that, I have the option to pick a day and time that I want it to go out. Hootsuite also uses data from your past posts and industry info to recommend the best times to post for you. So if you aren't sure when to schedule for, you can use this option. I am going to choose one of the times provided by Hootsuite, and I'll click Done, and then the Schedule button, and it will schedule the post for that time.
Now let's head over to the planner and check out what we've scheduled. Planner shows all of the content that we have scheduled across all of our networks. I can see the ones I just did here, which is exciting. But let me show you what a more filled out calendar would look like. So if I want to put it on my calendar, I can filter by network here. You can further filter by a bunch of different options under post status as well. I can change my calendar view, so I can look by month, week, or day depending on what works best. You can click on a post to see more details about it, and even delete, duplicate, or edit the post, which will bring us back to the composer to make our edits. Now if you take a look at the next section on your navigation panel, you have a basic search option, then you have an inspiration option, the AI writer, where you can repurpose your top posts and start from scratch. Get inspired. You can turn web content into posts, or you can get your holiday calendar ready. Now moving on to the next section, we also have the stream section. So the stream section allows you to take a look at all of your board. You can see all the content that is coming in, what you're following, and what your published commentary is. Your moderation information, all of your basic information that you would require is going to be present over here. Then you have an inbox that is going to be filtered out by the platform. Depending on how many social media accounts, you're going to find all of their inboxes over here. The next section is advertisements. So if you are someone who is using Google, Instagram, or Facebook ads, then this is going to be a good section for you. If you are not, you can just skip this and move directly to analytics. Now in your analytics section, you're going to find there are multiple different reports that you can generate. Now to click on See More, you can find your profile and other products. So in this way, you can upgrade your social media content with Hootsuite.